Want to block someone on your Apple Watch? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it so you can manage your contacts with ease. But before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends if it helps. Now, start by going to your Apple Watch and tap on the call icon to view your recent call logs. Once you're there, tap on Contacts again to see your saved phone numbers. Scroll through the list until you find the contact you want to block. Once you find that contact, tap on their name. A new screen will appear. Scroll down a bit until you see the option labeled Block Contact and Delete Contact. Go ahead and tap on Block Contact. That's it. The person is now blocked on your Apple Watch. You'll now notice that the options have changed to Unblock Contact and Delete Contact, which confirms that the block was successful. If this helped, don't forget to bookmark this guide or share it with someone who needs it. See you in the next one.